Okay, this way.
Aber dann niemand, ja, voll. Aber dann glaubt niemand fehlen.
Ja, so.
Diri natin naupod.
Oh, ako na to.
Oo.
Lekker. Ja, gern.
Api, ikaw wala ka lang.
Segunda pizza, danke.
Can you make photo for Max?
Nakakali kang may phone mo? First time yung ito, no? First time. Dali.
Panulugan.
Kay Kuya pa ben dali.
Can you make a photo from us?
Oh, yes sir? Oo. Ito? Kuya, pwede po magpa-picture.
Okay,
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
Picture daw.
Ranjit.
Perfect.
Aray.
Panulugan.
Panulugan.
Panulugan. Cool, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, love.
How many times kita mo mapapuan ko? Many Batman is here. So, this is the stones that we are not allowed to touch, the brown calcite. Actually, the cave was discovered by Father Karl Hotterer in 1968. So Father Karl Hotterer is from Vienna, Austria. So he is the first person who was entered the cave, and then we find out that there's a lot of rock formation here in the cave. Okay, so please do not touch the stone, Mamas. Anyone? Sorry. Don't touch the stone. That's okay. Okay, you can take picture here. Take picture here. Picture. Oh, yeah, you can take picture all of you.
Oh, all of you. Okay, yes.
Can I borrow your phone?
Pomade? Achtung, ohne einen Schrei. So. Oh.
So this is the chamber.
Ah, geil. Awesome.
Achtung, das ist Sache.
Hakto.
Oh, disco. Disco.
Disco.
Okay, so we have here the frozen waterfall.
Frozen water.
Frozen.
Oh.
Ay,
Okay.
angkat.
Okay, then this is the Sohoton musical organ. No, why we call this musical organ?
Because it can.
Because it creates
It's nice.
sound. Do you still remember this, sir?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, so now I will play this, then you can take video if you want, okay?
Okay.
Because only the guides will do this. We are not allowed to take the to play this with the guest.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the sound.
Wala to.
Like a drum.
Look like a drum.
Sounds like a drum.
Yeah. Then we have here the photo book. Look. Oh, there's a photo book here.
Ska vi ta den här?
Look, there's a hole here. Look, then put your head like this. Kasi
It's a photo bomber. Me. Why me?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you're second. Photo bomber.
Get that, va?
Pijetin man na mama.
No, you're the second.
Okay, next.
Ja.
Ano yun? Yung butang. This is the dead end. The dead end. We're going back.
Oi. Don't touch, don't touch. Don't touch, I'm not touching. But I'm not fit to go there.
You're not fit there.
Yeah, I'm not fit. I'm Chinese.
You're not back though. You're Javedi. This one.
Sulit ang absent.
Sulit ang absent. Na-absent lang kami nga doon.
Absent dia pa ako. May trabaho ako.
Oh, pailiwatan na ano. Hindi nga. May mga...
What you call that? The stone?
Where?
Yeah.
Limestone.
Limestone.
Yeah, that is limestone. There's a cave in Switzerland, ma'am.
Limestone?
No, I mean, there's a cave in. What's the name of the cave in Switzerland?
Hurley.
Hurley.
Hurley. Ja.
Early.
What is bedrock?
Early kid. Ano doing? Alas.
Gasi ko alas.
Sakin.
May mga rosaryoan.
Yeah, it's piano. Ada mo matrosaryo, yeah.
What is the
Ay,
black?
may mga lusayong.
That is Rosalis. Then the black one is the driftwood.
The book.
Yeah, driftwood.
Or the forward.
Ah, dat is bedrock. Dat is aanskenijn.
One legend behind that.
Wait, wait.
Of geweldig.
Die de touw heeft
Driftwood.
Actually, we're going. This will go together.
Okay.
Ja.
Aha, je dacht het niet.
Stay here, ah. Stay here. Buksan ko lang yung sagot.
You open the one like this.
There's no way out.
We're stuck.
We're stuck here.
Gaan we even maken?
Okay.
Dan gaat het hier.
I'm not quick again.
Kan we dat niet staan?
En het is allemaal stijgen, hè? Die.
Magaling ka kung nasa malulurok good kita.
Als in
What you call that song?
Giant bouquet of flower.
Wow.
Ihatag ko itong takpuan.
How about you?
I'll get my bouquet of
This is your son?
flowers.
This is your son?
This is my son. Yeah. This is my brother.
Yeah.
Nah, it's
I know that because you look like the same. Same face.
Ha!
Same, maganda.
Join your man. Join your mom.
Yeah, hello. Ay, mag-look sa tusing photos.
1, 2, 3.
It's okay?
Okay, all of you. All of you.
Okay, now we have enough photos, I think.
Shit.
Okay, so this is the last chamber of the cave, huh? This is also the longest chamber.
Oh, longest.
We call this cathedral because of the highest chamber.
Ay, parang cathedral.
Wow,
Atas
beautiful.
That's
Batman.
It's beautiful.
Oh, makeup.
Many Batman here.
ito ba?
Highest, high ceiling.
a high ceiling.
Yeah.
Parang pag wala kang tour guide dito, mawawala ka ano. Parang pare-pares lang yung area.
Parang
Don't keep it up.
Okay? Oh, same.
Oh, then patron. Ano mabarangay?
Magini. Kamatang na ako mo.
Ako na alam ito.
Oo, kaya isa-isa kini. Pero tama naman yung bumto, di ba? Bumto ka mo ba?
The engineer of the cave.
Surf lang?
September 8.
Alis na kami.
Wow.
Surprise.
Yeah, wow.
The banana rice skeletons.
The Banawi. In Baguio.
But when we turn off the light, look like burial ground.
Yeah.
Ja, donker om het maar slecht gedaan. Gelijk.
Mabalay.
Ja, dus.
Burial ground.
May mga patay.
Mga patay na limestone.
What do you see?
Okay, I go first.
Batman?
The tour guide.
Okay. It's okay.
Purple. Let's go. Don't touch. Korean yan. Korean. Kumain naman kami.
Mano-mano mo din yung pagkuhan.
Kasi ba't pa ako yung marituloy sa... Hindi ko ito. Ngayon English.
Hindi mo, mabalik ka na ito ito na. Mabalik ka ito. We have here the Team Jalinda This is St. Michael, the back view. So this is the wings,
Oh, that's beautiful.
the head.
I like angels. Mega schön.
We can stand here, there, so ma'am. Then I take a picture.
It's okay, thank you.
Doch, Mama. Das ist gut.
Seems like angel.
Where's Batman?
Hast du?
Weiter. Ja, mit was? Oh, geil.
Coins.
Yeah.
The wishing.
Some of our guests throw coins there and they are
Like Aberglaube.
Go Joshua.
Halt schnell.
All of my coins. Piso na.
Now you have enough lot of luck.
Many, many good.
Okay.
Ma-picture ako.
Sige. Look at that crocodile. Uy, di ko mo din. Lolo.
Bitte schau mal, ja. Also du bist doch einer am Bett. Was liegst du? Oder? Eine da noch, das ist doch am Bett. Eine da noch. Mama,
Warte.
von welcher Seite sieht man so? Das ist doch hier am Bett.
Da ist die Tine.
Das liegt da. Hey, bitte.
Das ist die Gläser.
Baga nga ang crocodile.
Okay, so we are here now in Papa and Mama's room. So this is the Papa's room. So we know this Papa's room is because of this. Oh, that is senior.
Senior citizen.
If you have a senior, we have also the junior. So this is the junior. Senior. Junior.
Senior citizen.
And then the grandpapa, which is the pioneer. Oh. Okay, turn on the light.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Was können wir jetzt tun?
Ito ba yung mga utol?
Naduroy.
Ano naman yun?
So, yan na lang.
Then makatawag kita Mama's room.
Mama's room?
Mama's room. Oh.
This is Papa's room.
This is Papa's room.
Ja,
You see the Papa?
aber. Aber der macht hier nicht.
Yeah, Papa. Yeah, Papa.
Der macht hier.
Where's the Mama room?
So, you know, it's very dark.
Mama's room. Mama's room.
Ah, very dark.
Huwag ka na, no? Hindi na mag-invento yung Mama's room. Very dark.
This is the Lola's room.
Chef says one, I said this.
Ano na lang yun, nag-imbento lang.
Ah!
What's going on here?
If it's so well, so after
Okay, so now we're going to Mama sa room. Because of this.
Dami na suso.
Natutuloy.
The mama's room.
This is the Mama's room, look.
Many.
okay.
Okay, so now, do you want to take off all the lights? So that we can experience how dark here?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, stand here. Okay, even your phone. Pagpatay ko muna po. Okay.
Okay, better.
Okay guys, second activity is the kayak.
Als ik dit tijd op je.
Oh, who's gonna? Fabian? Fabian, you make that sounds?
Marvin!
Ayun si Marvin. Marvin.
Ikaw pala. Inaano pa?
Ay, may ayaw ano?
Hindi mo yung Marvin na to. Nahirap niya dito. Pag-dito.
Kaya binigyan pa ako.
Ano ba yung Marvin?
Uyag. Ay, kumpulong nga raw.
Hindi kita
Here, exit na here.
Exit. Pwede paliwanag. Pailaw. Salamat. Ba nila may pakita. Wow.
Like ano? Sneak. Bobby, we not bring down on stick for fishing.
Yeah.
We forgot.
Ja.
Ayan guys, hope nagustuhan niyo yung quick tour natin dito sa Sohoton Cave sa Pasay. Alright. So next namin is kayak. Magkakayak kami, boating. So